Hey crafty cuties, a long time no talk. Summer was busy, crazy. I did my best to get a video out to you guys every week, but I am hoping to do a lot more than that now that the school year has started, and I'm going to be having my mom watch Arlo a couple days a week. But this video is just going to be kind of a chit chat video. I wanted to go over a few projects that you can expect to see from me if everything goes as planned, and I just figured we would kind of chat because it's been a while since I've been able to kind of just be present and talk with you guys. So yeah, I hope that everyone had a good summer, and hopefully you will have a good school year as well if you have kids, or if not, you know, either way. So one project I am needing to get started on, which you will see, is I am wanting to make a photo book for Arlo's first birthday. I'm going to be using this collection right here. I originally planned to decorate her birthday in this carousel theme, but I ended up doing like more of a unicorn theme, but I feel like it still goes, and I'm trying to have this book done by her party because I want to have it out so that people can write messages to her in it. So I'm really excited for that, and I plan to do a Lapbook style because I think that will be awesome to have different journaling cards and notes from other people. And you know, from one birthday party you're probably not going to have a ton of pictures, so I feel like a Lapbook is going to be perfect. It's still going to be just as fun with all of the interactive pages and flips and, you know, hidden pockets and everything, and probably a good place to store her first birthday cards. So yes, very excited. You will see these videos very shortly. Something that I'm so sad that I didn't get to finish yet, but I still will be able to, is this project right here. This was a journaling kit, a junk journal kit that I got from the Magnolia Seed Etsy shop, and it's an amazing kit, but I only got this far as making this moon embellishment. I have this video up on my channel if you want to see that. Yes, but I was wanting to make a traveler's notebook, like a soft cover one, and I kind of stopped because I just ran out of time. I really didn't have time during the summer, but I was deciding on the floral or the pink fabric as the cover. So if you guys want to actually vote down below, I'm kind of leaning towards the pink and maybe adding some lace on the edge. I actually like this one because I like mixing patterns, but I do think it's too much, and I feel like the moon embellishment gets lost. Anyways, let me know down below, guys. Yeah, let me know what you think. And I think I'm actually going to use this foam and make it a really soft cover. So very excited, and I just have so many pieces in this entire kit, which I did an unboxing. So if you want to know more about this kit, that's on my channel as well. But yeah, so I'm still excited that I have this to work with. What else? So something I'm really bummed about. So I made these, I guess I was calling them like an insect slide. Well, I wanted a way to use up the Tim Holtz vellum wings, as you can see here. Well, anyways, I made these and I filmed the video, and we went on vacation and I lost the footage. I thought I had transferred it over to my tablet and I did not. So I'm super bummed, but hey, update. I actually have a brand new computer that my husband bought for me, and that's also going to help me edit videos and be able to just store my content on an area other than my phone. So yes, super excited. But anyways, I still wanted to show you. I'm gonna refilm it because it's really easy. I mean, you could look at this and figure out how to make it yourself, but I like crafting with you guys, so I will refilm this, and I'm actually going to make some a little bit different with maybe some more butterflies, like using, I realized I had this book right here with some gorgeous butterflies. So we will refilm this, and we will have it better than the first time around. Honestly, Arlo was yelling in the background, so it's fine. We'll redo it, no biggie. A couple more projects I've had lined up for me is to finish Arlo's first, her baby book. I wanted it to go up until about 1 year old, and she is going to be 1 year old. This is her birthday month, guys. So yeah, I have it up to, 12 months here. And so I need to finish this, and I have quite a few entries. So let me know if you guys still want to see junk journal with me videos, and I will be sure to film those as I get to them. I know I have a lot planned for me here, guys, but again, this is just all on my list of things to do. I don't have any deadline for most of these things. No, that's a lie. Her birthday book. I do want to get that done in time, of course. I grabbed this, and I'm really wanting to make a cute Halloween, actually some Halloween projects, so figured I would just show you that right there. I have some Happy Mail that I just had stacking up over the summer. I'm gonna go through and just kind of peek through it with you guys. I really haven't even had a chance to go through it, which is so, it's not sad. I've just been busy with my babes, and it was an amazing summer, and I'm so glad that I took the time to do it. I do miss crafting for sure. Let's see. And then honestly, guys, I have really been slacking on my Etsy shop. I had wanted to add things. I have messages that I did not get back to, not like any missing orders or anything like that, but people that were requesting custom journals. And I feel awful for not being on top of my game like I used to be. I just could not do it, and it got overwhelming. So I quit checking, or I guess I kind of like quit replying to any custom journal messages. But I do have one person that was waiting for a travel journal, and I'm going to try my best to get that done, and if I do, maybe I'll show you guys that journal as well. So let's just peek into what Happy Mail I had piling up this summer. So I got this lovely box of goodies from Lisa, and like I said, it's been so long, so if I mess up any of the items, like who I got it from, so sorry. But yeah, she sent me a bunch of great goodies, and I'm gonna go through. I think, I honestly can't remember if this paper pad was in this box. I feel like I had it out for some reason, but maybe it was. So gorgeous paper pad, and then it just seemed like there are a lot of supplies that she sent me, and I think she mentioned that like if I can't use it, I can give it away for a giveaway, or yeah, I'm gonna have to look back so that I can thank her, because I'm finally looking through. But yeah, can you guys believe it? I literally just have had this sitting here, but wow. I haven't had time to craft anyways, so it's not like I would have been able to use it, but look at this. A bunch of embellishing powders. Oh my gosh. This is super nice. Oh my goodness, some gorgeous embellishments. I've never seen these. These are from Michael's, and she packaged everything up so nicely too. I might kind of go through here quick because I have a bunch to show, but oh, buttons. And these are cool because you don't actually have to sew these on. I guess you don't have to sew any certain buttons on, but I feel like these are great. I think these might be like stickers. I'll have to see. Gotta just package that up as we go. This looks like some tiny little envelopes that she made. Maybe she made these as well. I feel like she probably did. Oh my gosh, these small little tags, and then a doily. She packaged things up so nice. Thank you so much. Look at this. Cute little envelope with some confetti. I did not know. I really didn't know what was in here, and like I said, I kind of set it aside, and oh my gosh, all these tags. I'm so excited. So many tags. Arlo is just playing right now. Oh, these are cute. I've never seen these. Let's see, what else? She sent me so much. Holy moly. Look, and everything is packaged so cute. All of these embellishments. Arlo's coming over, and I'm afraid because I have the tripod up, and I know she's going to want to stand up against it. She's almost walking, you guys. Crazy, huh? So it looks like some vintage buttons, and in here are more buttons, and wow, look at these cool wooden buttons. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go through and really go through this and organize everything. I have seen these, and I've always wondered where they're from. She's so happy. What are you doing, girl? Hi. So I'm gonna have to go a little quicker because now she was playing for a minute. Whoa, are these huge? Oh, these are glassine bags. And some more glassine bags. I can always use these, especially if I'm getting back into junk journaling. Oh my gosh. I feel awful because I think I thanked her for sending it to me, but since I had not looked in here, I didn't know all this stuff was in here. Oh my gosh. Packages of Project Life cards. This is so nice. And then a bunch of embellishments, and so I'm just going to kind of stop here because I want to take a peek at the other Happy Mail items I have. Okay, and then I have two more, and I know that I got some more Happy Mail over the summer. I probably just put it into like my craft area. So this, I believe, I hope I didn't mess up, but I think this stuff is from Patricia, and I greatly, greatly appreciate it. This was actually labeled as a rack, so I don't know if it was from one of the Facebook groups I'm in, possibly, and then there are some gorgeous fabrics, which I love. So thank you for that, Patricia. I hope I did not mess that up. And then this is from a lovely friend who you guys probably know, Selena from Amore Fabrics. Now, she mentioned, she was like, you do not have to show this in a video. It's just for me, and it's not crafty, but I just wanted to show you guys really quick because it is the cutest vintage clothes for my baby Arlo, who's almost a year, if you didn't know. And I just had to show you because it was cute, and it was just so sweet that she thought of me. And that has this little diaper cover right here. Oh my gosh, isn't this cute? And then this is something that she would probably be able to fit in now. I can't get over how cute this is. And then this one right here, it's like a cowgirl situation. It's so cute. And then this right here. And that's a diaper cover as well. So thanks, Selena. I just wanted to show it because it's so cute. Well, guys, it was nice hanging out with you. I am so excited to start hanging out on a more regular basis. Hopefully I can do weekly videos. And if you're new, I definitely hope you will subscribe because I have lots planned. And I think that's all I'm going to say today. Hopefully we'll do a live video soon too so we can chat together. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.